name is Ashish Srivastav with my co-presentative Dolly Singhal, Nazim Ali and Neil Gupta. So we are here to give a presentation on the topic meaning, scope, objective and importance of finance. So meaning of finance. Finance is defined as the management of money, includes activities such as banking, investing, borrowing, lending, budgeting, saving and debit and credit forecasting. There are three types of finance: personal, corporate and public government. And basically finance represented the money management and process of acquiring needed funds. Finance also encompasses the oversight, creation and study of money, banking, credit, investments, assets and liabilities that make up financial systems. And the second slide is concept. So many of the basic concepts in finance originate and from macro and macroeconomics theories. In a modern money using economy, finance may be defined as the provision of money at the time it is wanted, and it is the ardent science of managing money. And since individuals, businesses and government entities all need funding to operate, the finance field includes three main subcategories: personal finance, corporate finance and public government finance. Thank you.
Good afternoon, sir. This is Nazim Ali. After the meaning and concept of finance, I'll tell you the scope of finance. At the present state, the academic discipline of finance includes the following specialized areas in its scope. The first one is public finance. Like business organizations, government raise and spend large sum of money, but unlike business organizations, they pursue non-profit goals. To deal with governmental financial matters, a separate and specialized field of finance has emerged as public finance. The points which can be included in public finance are tax collection, expenditures, national debts and national budget. Then we come to the second point, that is securities and investment analysis. This area of interest to individuals and institutional investors. It covers mainly in measurement of risk and return on investment in securities. Example, an investor looks at how the fund performed over time covered to its benchmark and to its competitors. Then we come to the third point, institutional finance. Institutional finance deals with issue of capital formation and the organizations that perform the financing function of the economy. Therefore, it mainly studies saving and capital formation and institutions involved in the process such as banks, insurance companies, provident and pension funds. Some more examples which provide such schemes are central banks, retail and commercial banks, internet banks, savings and loan associations. Then we come to the fourth point. Fourth point is international finance. International finance studies economic transactions among nations, corporations and individually internationally. It is considered with flow of money across international boundaries. The banks which offer such schemes are International Finance Corp (IFSC) and National Bureau of Economic Research. Then we come to the fifth point, that is financial management. Business firms face problems dealing with acquisition of funds and optimum methods of employing the funds. Thus, financial management studies financial problems in individual firms, seeks low-cost funds and seeks profitable business activities. In financial management, we have to employ the funds, and the problems in the firms are seeks low-cost funds and seeks profitable business activities. The next slide will be continued by my friend Dolly Singhal.
Of finance. In simple terms, objective of financial management is to maximize the value of firm. However, it is much more complex than that. The management of the firm involves many stakeholders including owners, creditors and various participants in the financial market, as you can show in the below diagram. It means there are certain objectives of the financial management which provides a basic information, basic framework for optional financial decision making. Such objectives are concerned with the method of choosing profitable investment projects and financing of such products. The term objective is used in sense of goal or decision criterion for financial management. This is not the overall objective or goal of any firm, but an optionally objective by which to make an overall assessment to a specific set. Effective procurement and efficient use of finance lead to proper utilization of the finance by the business concerned. It is the essential part of the financial manager. Hence, the financial manager must determine the basic objectives of the financial management. The objective of financial management are given below. First, profit maximization. Many aim of any kind of economic activity is earning profit. A business concern is also functioning mainly for the purpose of earning profit. Profit is the measuring techniques to understand the business efficiency of a concern. It means the primary purpose of all the business is to earn a profit by producing and distributing goods and services. The achievement of this goal requires supply of capital to operate a business. It is a flow of these capital funds within the firm with which financial management is primarily and essentially concerned. If the amount funds is available for running a business is not adequate, the amount of profit or even the firm's survival will be threatened. Second, wealth maximization. Wealth maximization or shareholders' value maximization is also a main objective of financial management. Wealth maximization means to earn maximum wealth for the shareholders. So the finance manager tries to give a maximum dividend to the shareholders. He also tries to increase the market value of the shares. It means the second important objective of the financial management is to wealth maximization. It means to achieve these objectives, financial managers must keep sure that the company obtains at least possible cost the funds it needs to meet its objective. The funds is measured in terms of interest rate. Further slides will be concluded by Neelu Gupta.
Function of financial manage in modern age. Manage in institutions whose manage the financial matter of business. Financial manage have the responsibility of overseeing the finance of measures, components, and everything is between. Aside from working with numbers, financial managers much also help another members of their organizations understands their complex reports which required significant communication skills. Some of major function of financial manage in modern age. First, limitations the amount of capital required. This is foremost function of financial manage. First, purchasing of fixed assets. Second, meeting working capital requirement. The financial manage make establish of funds required from both short term and long term. Second, a determination capital structure. Once the recommendation of capital fund has been determined, a decide requirement the kind and proportional of various resource of funds has to be taken. Third, choice of resource of fund. Before the actual implementations of fund, the financial manager has to decide the resource from the finance which the funds has to be raised, like equity shareholder, preference shareholder, etc. Fourth, the implementation of fund. The financial manager takes step to provision the funds required from the business, like general market condition, government policy, etc. Fifth, utilization of funds. The fund provisions by the finance manager are to be the investment in various assets has to maximization the return on investment, like safety, profitability, and equality. Sixth, deposit of profit or surplus. The financial manager has to decide how much to required for back and how much to describes as divided to shareholder out of profit of the company. Seventh, management of cash. Management of cash and other current assets is an important task of financial management, and cash inflow and outflow to ensure that there in neither shortage nor surplus of cash with the firms. 8th, last, financial control. Implementation of financial performance is also as important function of financial managers. The overall manage of equities of return is return on investment, ROI. Thank you.